I'm taking more risks this year, folks. My horoscope told me to. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell, I am doing a comparison video on two beauty subscription boxes. Now, I've done quite a few IPSY bag reviews. I will link the playlist up above in case you're interested. But this time I decided to do a comparison between IPSY and BIRCHBOX. Now before we get any farther into this video, if this is your first time seeing my face, no, this is not my real hair color or my real hair at all. I brought the wig back, thought it'd be fun, so here she is. Now, next order of business. Few things. One, I'm sick. I need to blow my nose really bad, but I have makeup on my face, and as soon as I blow my nose, I'm trying to avoid it. So it's making me sound a little different, in my opinion at least. It's making it really difficult to talk. I can't breathe that well. So I'm sorry. Also, as per usual in my videos, I introduced my little coffee cup that I am using, and right now I'm using this adorable little Christmas mug with just some basic Christmas trees on it. If you're wondering what's in the mug, it's tea. It's always tea. It's never anything but tea. If you're interested in budget-friendly beauty, hair, fashion, or other lifestyle type of content, then be sure to subscribe because that's what you're gonna get from this channel. We are so freaking close to 1,000 subscribers. My goal was to get there before the new year. I don't think it's gonna happen, but I mean, fingers crossed. As soon as we get there, I'm going to be doing a special little giveaway as a thank you to all of you who are subscribed. So if you are not subscribed, be sure to do so now. We're so close. Also, I just want to point out my awesome Christmas shirt. It's my mommy got it for me. It's not politically correct nowadays, but like, who freaking cares? Merry Christmas, guys. Okay, let me chill. Let me stop. I'm gonna need to blow my nose soon. Okay, so we are comparing IPSY versus BIRCHBOX. Yay! So, IPSY is regular like $12.99, something like that a month. I will have the price up on the screen for you. This one, BIRCHBOX, I believe is $15. We'll also put the price up on the screen for you. I can't remember. So they're awfully similar. Never opened BIRCHBOX before. I have quite a few IPSYs. So I think I'm going to start with IPSY. Also, side note, there's a lot of pink in this video. I didn't even wear my pink wig because there was gonna be pink. I just wore my pink wig because it's like my only wig right now and I thought it'd be fun. But look at me theming. It needs to be red or something for Christmas. Whatever. Okay, we're just gonna get started now. Get my scissors in a few videos. Few more, I'm gonna have some pretty scissors, I swear. Sometimes there's extra stuff not in the bag because the packaging and it won't fit. It's all in the bag. So are we ready to see the bag? It is not all in the bag. I am an idiot. Ta-da! Oh, I will say something about IPSY. I love their little bags. So far, I have been very happy and very impressed with their bags. Look how cute. Can you tell? It's like pink with like rose gold. Not even glitter. This isn't glitter. It's like rose gold, just prettiness on top of it. You see? Super cute. I think the card, I'm not gonna look, the card that tells you what it is, the card that tells you what's what is inside the bag. I'm not gonna look because something fell out and I'll use that as my first thing. But here, this isn't even it. Where's my card? I don't have one this time. IPSY, what am I supposed to do? Okay, well, while we're here, they've got some 2022 horoscopes here, which I think are bullcrap, but let me read mine. Pisces, one word, glitter. Playing it safe is not the move. Take more risks and sparkle. Take more risks this year. I can't talk. Taking more risks this year's. I'm taking more risks this year, folks. My horoscope told me to. Alright, well, I don't have a freaking card to tell you what's what or the price, and that's really a bummer. Maybe I can look it up. Wait, everyone gets different stuff. Screw it. Here's a docking a point from IPSY, which is annoying because they usually have this, but they don't this time. It's a bad time to be doing this, IPSY. So let me pick up the thing that fell on the floor. It's a brush. It's a pretty brush. Okay, I like getting brushes. Ooh, it's like a unicorn or a mermaid color, something like that. It's from the brand The Beauty Crop, and this is the F203 powder brush. That's their little name and their little logo, and then the name of the brush and the brush. Look how cute. Powder brush. No idea how much this is. If I can find this information for you post video, I will post it here. I'll try to tell you what it's valued at and blah blah blah, any information I can give you. Okay, next item. Get into the bag. Bubble wrap. We like bubble wrap. A lot of times it means an eyeshadow or something. And if you know me, you know I'm obsessed with eyeshadows. Ooh, eyeshadow duo from the brand M2U NYC. You're not gonna really be able to see it because of the flipping window, but let's open her up. I like it. There are the colors. Let's do a little swatch, shall we? Ooh, creamy. There is your swatch. Nice. I like them. I like their subtle, kind of neutrally type of shade. You know how I like never have makeup wipes? I have makeup wipes. But where? Frick! What good are they? Okay. Next thing. What is this? It's a little tube. That's my dog, Callie. Hi, Callie. Alright, Surfer Girl. Tarte C. Ooh, this is from Tarte. Volumizing mascara. Ooh. There's the outside. You probably can't really see it much, but there it is. Let's open her up. We like a good mascara. Ooh, there's your brush. That looks fun. That's a different shape than I've ever used, so I am excited. Okay, next item. I think we've got 2 more. Yeah, because they come with 5. All right, what's this? Seraphine Botanicals Cranberry and Dew Dewy Lip Remedy. Lip stuff. I don't do much for lip stuff. Except today I have a tinted lip gloss on. Or lip balm, not gloss. We don't do gloss. Alright, this is Dewy Lip Remedy. So what does that mean? Here it is. There. Interesting. Ooh. It does smell like cranberry. I might like that. Because it looks like it could be like a subtle kind of thing, you know. Sorry, I'm playing with my hair a lot. And then it's different. Last thing. Oh, it's lotion. I love lotion. Ahava. I don't know if that's how you say it. Ahava? Ahava. Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. Sea Kissed. Ooh. Well, that seems fun. I like the color of the packaging. It's closed. What's she gonna smell like? I can't really smell. Let's put a little bit on, shall we? It wasn't quite enough, but I'll make do. It's a good thickness. Ooh, that smells really good. Wait, I just realized I rubbed my swatch all into my hand. It smells really nice. Okay, I really like that. It's not like crazy, like sweet or like childish kind of sweet. It smells very adult. It smells really good. I like that. Okay, so I actually love everything in my IPSY bag this time. There's nothing here that I'm not going to use. That's saying a lot. That has never happened before. So, IPSY, other than the fact that you aren't telling us what these all are and what they're worth, other than that, I love this month. Are we ready? Are we ready to try out Birchbox? Alright, I gotta blow my nose. Say goodbye to my nose makeup. Ow, my ear popped. Hopefully you won't notice the redness. Alrighty, Birchbox. Is this one gonna be better? It thinks so. It's already been like, yes, we're gonna be better. Let's see, it does cost more. So if it's not better, got an issue. Got this fancy little pull tab, which doesn't do its job. It's supposed to like rip. Oh my word, it's on all sides. Oh, see, that's what's supposed to happen. A clean rip. Ah, all right, 2 for 3. That's not bad. Okay. Aww, it's literally a box. That's great. So an IPSY bag and a Birchbox. All right, so here is our Birchbox. How cute. I mean, I'm not a big flower girl, flower child kind of thing. My mother is. She'd like this box. Let's open her up. Hello, sunshine. Spring sure looks good on you. Why does it say spring? It's not spring, it's December. Spring for the full-size version of your favorites on birchbox.com and earn 10 loyalty points for every $1 spent. Alright, we've got our card that's going to tell us what's what. Great. Got this nice little package. I feel like I'm opening a Christmas present. Ooh. Okay. Let's just start. First thing, Blonde Me. Usually I am. Keratin Restore Bonding Shampoo, free of SLS and SLES sulfates. Ooh. Okay, so this, here, let me show you. It's from, oh goodness, I've seen this brand before, but to say it, you know how I butcher things. Schwarzkopf Professional. Here it is, the little Schwarzkopf thing. I don't even know. There you have Blonde Me. The full size is $20. The shampoo gently cleanses and repairs using integrated bonding technology to help boost... That word's not even here. To help create bonds and smooth, lightened hair. Work into wet hair for up to 1 minute for daily use. I like that. I need to do some stuff with my hair because my hair is not healthy lately. That'll be a whole other video. Alright, I'm gonna smell it. See if I can smell it now that I've blown my nose. Ooh, it smells nice. Do you see the bubble?
I will not be peeing tonight. Oh my god, bubbles.
Bubbles. Next, same brand, Schwarzkopf. This is Keratin Restore Bonding Mask. So this is the same brand, same line and everything. But this is a hair mask, which is awesome. Let me show you up close. There she is. This nourishing mask uses integrated bonding technology to help create new bonds and strengthen hair. Apply to clean, damp hair. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse. The full size of this is $25. I am excited. It smells just like that. It smells really nice. Nice, creamy. All right, next thing. Balance Me BHA Exfoliating Concentrate. What is that, lotion? Exfoliant, so no. The full size of this is $37.50. Holy crap. This chemical exfoliant gently removes dead skin cells, reduces blemishes, and improves hydration to reveal brighter skin. Apply to face and let it dry before applying next step. Interesting. Okay, here's what this one looks like. So you apply it to your face and let it dry. Don't know if I like how it smells. Like, it's not bad, but it's chemically. Oh, a little side note. Sorry, there's little notes on the side of here that I forgot to read. This shampoo is a first time sampling. That's cool. So this is a woman founded product and a clean beauty pick. Cool. Next thing, more brows. Okay, so this is an eyebrow thing from the brand Model Co. More Brows Fiber Gel in the color light medium. The full size of this is $18. Fill, define, and volumize your brows with this easy to apply gel. Make short upward strokes through your brows to fill in sparse spots. Then use the tip to shape and style. Let me open it up. Here it is. It's teeny tiny, obviously because it's just a sample. And there's the little itty bitty brush. I think the color is good too. Alrighty, next. Okay, this is what I did the whole gasp thing to. I got a sample of something that I actually already have and have used. It is self-tanner. This is exciting. So I do want to do a video on self-tanner at some point. So you've got the nice little oven mitt like thing. This is what you apply it with. And you've got a little thing of the foam. This is in the color dark. I don't know if I love this shade on me or not. I do think, as with like anything, but especially at home tanning, practice makes perfect. And there's so many out there. Self-tanning stresses me out because there's so many out there for different skin tones and undertones, and you got to get the right one as to not look orange. So I used this stuff on my Texas trip last year, and sometimes I thought I looked a little orange. Sometimes I thought I looked good, but we were also in the river like every day, and so around my ankles and stuff, it would get very blotchy, but that's because my feet would be sitting in the river for hours, you know? So like the day after I'd wear it, put it on. So I do think if you're not planning on being in the water, at least not right away, that shouldn't happen. But I do want to try it again as the summer months start to come, which is still so far away. But that's really cool. They actually gave a sample. So this is, sorry, let me show you up close. This is from the brand Bondi Sands. It's an Australian company. So the self-tanning mitt, the full size, this is $6. This mitt makes applying your Bondi Sands tanning foam easier than ever. Apply foam to the inside of your mitt and rub onto skin in a circular motion for a streak-free tan. If you're going to do this, don't just read their thing. Like, go watch videos on people doing it because it's not simple. And then the Bondi Sands self-tanning foam in the color dark. The full size is $24. This lightweight tanning foam is simple to apply and gives a flawless finish every time. Skin can be washed after 1 hour, or you can wait up to 6 hours for a darker tan. I would sleep in it. Like I slept in it, and one good thing about this stuff, it does come out of white sheets because we had white sheets in the place that we were staying. So it does come off because it will come off of you onto that, but it does come off of that in the wash. So don't you worry. Sleeping in it dark, yes. I mean, I'm uber pale, as you can tell, and it didn't get like crazy dark. They also have a color shade ultra dark, which I can't remember if I tried that or not, but I do have it. So yeah, I will, my little review of this from Ordinary Know, I do like it. Whew. I still need to play around with it some because I'm still a noob. Okay, so in our little box, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 products for like $2 or $3 extra bucks. So cool. I approve. I will say, these being December, this looks nothing like a December box. And this looks nothing like a December bag. I would have expected like red. Last month's was green. Very Christmassy. I expected red. Red and glittery, honestly. It's not glittery, but kind of that glittery idea. There you have it. I am happy with both boxes. Yes, I do think, I mean, this is the happiest, not necessarily the happiest I've been with IPSY. Like, I've gotten a full-on palette, eyeshadow palette before, which was awesome. But this is the first time I've ever liked everything in the IPSY bag. So bravo, IPSY. I am very proud of you. You got me this time. In the Birchbox, I like everything that was in that too. So I am not disappointed with either. Which one do I like better? I like the shampoo and conditioner that I got in there, and honestly like the tanning thing. If I hadn't already tried tanning and I was still wanting to try the tanning, that'd be flipping awesome. But I don't know if that's enough for your whole body. That'd be my issue. But aside from that, I also really like what came in this. I don't know, I'm not picking. I don't have to pick and you can't make me. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, found it entertaining or helpful or whatever, be sure to give this video a like. It helps show me what kind of stuff you like to see. I don't have a plan to continue either of these for next month, but if you guys want me to, tell me down in the comments and I would be more than happy to. I do want to kind of make my way around a few other subscription boxes, beauty subscription boxes, and just subscription boxes in general, budget friendly ones, and these two are both budget friendly, and I think you get some good stuff in there. I know some people get really disappointed with IPSY and that kind of stuff, and I don't know why. So far, I've been fine. So maybe just lower your expectations. It's a $13 bag. It's not me. Okay, again, if you are not subscribed, be sure to do so because we're gonna have a really fun giveaway when I get to 1,000, and we're almost there. So help a sister out and let's get there together. Be part of my 1K crew. I mean, before I get super famous. Let me know what of these 2 boxes was your favorite and what in the boxes you would have been most excited for. Thanks again so much for watching, and have a wonderful day and a very Merry Christmas.